Let's have a closer view at this crucial P3 500 gigabyte SSD and the reasons why I got this. Since my current SSD was showing signs of going bad, I felt this was a good time to upgrade my storage capacity along with faster data transfer rates and better performance. It's also rated at MTTF greater than 1.5 million hours for extended longevity and reliability. And it even includes a screw. In this video, I'll be showing you optional compatible products while doing my installation. Now I'm excited to put this bad boy in and see the results. Here we'll be upgrading my SSD on my MacBook Air. In some cases, you may have to update to M.2 nVME SSD convert adapter card. After I removed the bottom cover, I made sure I disconnected the battery. It's safer to use a grounded wrist strap or anti-static gloves. Simply just unscrew the screw and then pull on the SSD. Just slide in the SSD, screw in the screw, and reconnect the battery connector. Another option that works great is the nVME to USB adapter. This allows you to easily connect to an M.2 SSD to a USB 3.1 Type A card. The kit includes a screwdriver and a thermal pad to disperse the heat. This option is useful if you don't want to use the M.2 nVME SSD convert adapter. Now let's wrap up the installation on my laptop and see the results. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.